Most inbound tourism players are chasing the wrong things. They think success is about getting more and more and more tourists. But here's the truth. It's not about more tourists. It's about what you do with every single tourist you already have. And that's why I build this TRIP formula. TRIP. Traffic, retentions, income, promoters. Well, if you get this right, I think you'll stop being a price war operator and start building a world-class inbound tourism business. Okay, step number 1, yeah, traffic. T for traffic, yeah. This is simply how many tourists can you get through the door. Well, in this case, for you, traffic comes from the online or from the OTA like Viato, Klook, Get Your Guide, from SEO content like destination blogs, from TikTok, and from Instagram's advertisements, and from partnerships with airlines, hotels, and also the embassies. But here's the catch. Traffic is just the start. Most players stop here. That's why they fail. Traffic is just a start. Step number 2, retentions. Retention means how many can you keep that same tourist engaged. The same number of tourists engaged. Say, don't just sell one day tour of 50 ringgit per tour of sea tour. Sell a 3 days cultural immersions with cooking classes, with homestays experience, activities experience, and food experience. Don't just sell tickets. Sell a journey. So retention is what multiplies your revenue without spending a single extra dollar on advertising or even marketing. Okay, step number 3, income. So your metric is ARPT, average revenue per tourist. So the formula is simple, the total revenue plus number of tourists. So want to increase income? Add upsell, private guides, VIP transports, premium access, cross-sell it. Partner with local F&B outlets, wellness center, handicraft store. Stack the value with the price that doesn't matter. So remember, you're not in the business of selling tours. You're in the business of selling transformations. So step number 4 is promoters. This is where the magic happens. Promoters are tourists who sell for you for free. Give them a reason to leave reviews. Give them the digital postcards. Share their experience, their good experience with friends. Run referrals codes for discounts. Turn every dollar, every happy tourist into your sales team. Because when you do that, you don't just get tourists, you build a self-funding traffic machine. So here's the TRIPS formula again. Traffic, retention, income, promoters. So one fits into the next. Traffic gets you tourists. Retentions keep them longer. Income maximize their spend. And promoters bring the next wave of traffic. That's not just a cycle, it's a flywheel. And once you build it, your inbound tourism business compound month after month and after month, year and after year. So stop chasing more tourists and start maximizing every single one and watch your business transform. TRIP, traffic, retention, income, or promoters. TRIP. So TRIP formula, traffic, retention, income, promoters. Your inbound journey to the world-class success starts here. Starts now.